Hindi naman ako pag-exercise sa kapon eh.
Ako ganun sa sabi mo. Isip bakit ka? Di ba pwede to? Minsan pag Friday, ganun.
Oo. O, minsan
Sa
magsimba tayo
hapon,
ng
yeah. Minsan hapon ako nagsisimba kasi doon tangali na ako.
Elin, my favorite.
Yeah, don't worry. I will buy you many. Payo ko lang dito ako.
Ay, ang cute nito. Kahit ko din ganito.
Yeah.
O, diba? May exercise tayo. Let, ilang bedroom yung bahay na ganda sa Chris?
All you want?
Sabi ko kay Arjen,
Ay, mo to, right?
kasi nakapalo nakasanggas sa dalawang kapo.
Oh, si Baby.
Ay, paparazzi. Ellen is worried that the car will hit you.
Yeah.
That's why
Then I
she
can
is
zoom,
quick.
huh?
Yeah, you cannot.
Oh, you cannot get
You
anything.
cannot
No
anything
settlement.
here. No settlement. They'll run you over.
This is Biology Street.
So this street, that's why they
A
call
science
Science Bill. Because all the streets is about science.
Ay, okay, so.
Oh, you know.
Ay, gusto ko Ellen to. Ellen, skip mo na ako. Ay, gusto ko yung landscaping nila.
They're small.
Sabi maganda naman like mo, yaman yung lumipad.
Yak! Physics. O, yan. Arjen, matututo ka na. Pati street ay physics. Kapag ano na, is that
Magkano na yung gate?
Ay, ayoko naman maglakad na kami ng dala. Baka kunin kami ng aso.
Don't go on the other side. There's a lot of dogs.
Parang nakakatakot yung aso.
Ito daw sa after.
Bakit yung sa aso?
Like a mobile home.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, tingnan mo. Pati sa labas o meron. Ann, did you see the landscape outside the car?
Yeah, look at the clay pot. Did you see the yung mga banga-banga?
You're getting shocked, and then you bring this banga. Kaya ano mo?
Maybe it's
Couple days when we was here was warm. Really?
It's hot?
Hindi na niya maaraw.
Oh, look at this. Look at that red flower. Oh, RJ! RJ! Look at Mina.
Oh, Mina sitting at the top.
You know,
What happened to Mina? Still
Oh,
living?
did you know that Mina is dead?
Oh!
Brian, papaya ni parents with the cat. And then we told him, Brian, don't worry if the cat don't come back. We're going to give you a prize.
Sa kanya, alaga niya from Las Vegas
Because they're
to
both
work.
spayed?
And then she brought it to California.
You better kill that, RJ. Bakit? Nalaman niya na si...
Mahal na mahal niya yun. Kaya kapalit niya ang mga kaintakit.
Kapalit kayo.
Sabi ko, Ellen, Remy, sabi ni Ellen, bakit hindi
You
na
killed that.
iniwan yung aso? Sabi ko, yun nga ang pinilit niya kay Yusiko.
But the cat keeps coming back according to...
Paano kita mo yan? Hindi, ano natin si Red.
Si Ellen, Suko na tayo na.
Yeah.
I drop them off. You know what they do? They smell everything.
Oh,
Ay, ito pa.
because usually when you drop them to a new place, you start with one small area, like
Uy,
a room,
An,
then you let them go.
An.
They smell everything. You know?
That's the new. The landscape.
Ang ganda. I like that.
Kaya ba yun?
Magalit tayo.
Straight price ka. Eh, di talaga muna ako mag-iisip ka. Ginagawa ka daw ang photographer ko, no? Hindi, si Roland ko po. Ito lang na yun.
Bilang ngayon?
Yeah, ito sa
Sino naglilinis ang ano?
wala, nililipat na lang ako na. Pero, meron din. Oo, yun rin.
Opo. Galing po kay Tita Vira.
Magkano?
Opo.
Unique yan. Mukhang special request ka. Maganda.
na dyan?
Opo, 700 po per month.
700 a month?
Opo.
Eh kung one time.
50 pesos po per day.
Ba? Ay, boy, punta kita. Okay.
Napunta ka ba dyan?
Ay, bira po.
Rated na natin, ano?
Opo.
700 a month, bali. Per month yun?
Opo.
Hello.
Ano sir?
Ako, lumili dito. Can we see the inside?
This is the design now.
Can we see the inside?
I like the design.
Or is there anybody inside? Let's ask Ellen. They are slow. Are they taking pictures? Or maybe they want something. Did you take picture of this video? I had this one. Or did your boy is going inside? Okay.
Welcome to my house.
Okay. Welcome to your house.
Welcome to my house.
Okay.
Palayaan niyo ako. Looks like a lot.
Why not you na Oh, boy, look at that. Look at this. It's nice. Oh, my God, is a brand. Yeah. And then there are bedrooms.
Looks like Las Vegas, huh?
Ah, it's nice. And then you wash clothes here?
And the rooms are upstairs.
Yes.
I bet this one what?
Ay, it's open. It's open naman pala eh. It's open naman pala eh.
Yes, nice. Simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's simple thing.
You won't spend too much aircon here because it's a small area.
And spacious living room, what I'm saying.
Do you like
You can go
it?
small.
Let's buy. But I don't know if we can go out upstairs. Let's
So
see.
100,000.
100,000. Let's see how much. Hindi, sabi negotiable daw eh. Let's see. Ang baka naman ni Elliot.
Baka may binibili.
I think they're buying something. Len! Ano ko na-post ka sa aming kwarto? Len, posting picture kita. Okay. Len! Gusto mo, Arjun, makita mo yung bahay? Ay, nakita mo yung bahay? Ito, bukas eh. Why now? Bakit, Ellen? Bukas, may walang tao.
Bukas, walang tao.
Sunday, no.
No people working. Get that?
Can we see the upstairs?
I don't know. Bukas ba?
It's open, you're not inside. Hoy! Taas na ka.
Sabi ng mama, bakit ho kayo, may kuha ng video, ano ho ba yan? Sino ho ba yan? Sabi niya, kasi ho, for security reason, gusto ko lang malaman. Sabi ni Ellen, pamangkin ko yan, pamilya ko yan. Bakit ho, kasi baka daw tanongin siya, iisip niya kung
Oh,
ano.
I see.
Kaya sabi ko naman,
Tignan niyo sa courtesy na tawagan.
sabi naman namin ni Ellen, huwag ka mag-alala. Sabi niya, mga pamangkin ko kasi, mga balik-balik, nagkukuhan dito.
Tinitignan ko nagjujutik ka.
Sabi naman ni Ellen, chine-check lang namin kung nagjujuti ko ka nagtatrabaho ko may security guard. Maganda loob. Let me see.
Kasi yung binila nila baby yung bahay.
Ano? Ano daw?
Nakita yung binila ng baby.
Ay, ang ganda ng star.
Sinara nila baby. Ah, sila Ang bebe.
Oh, two story lang ito. I like this place. Alam mo ngayon ko lang nakita to, ha? Italian style.
Yeah, this is not bad. Of course, more.
This is the ano, servant quarter. Oh, laundry room. Ang servant
Ay, may toilet! Very good!
Kita rin yung pwede.
Oh, look, there
Yeah,
is
there's a place, you can open it.
Wait, hindi ko makita.
Ang ganda.
You won't spend too much effort here because there's
Yeah, there's
my servant quarter.
servant quarter. Oh, this here. Oh, the servant quarter. No, the guest room. The bathroom is nice. You know what? Look at the bathroom. It's nice. I like the floor. And I like this. This is so nice. Buti na dito sa bakit
Ito kita dito. Yung room.
Hoy, it is nice. And there's like, hoy, really? Yes, there's a beautiful 3 bedrooms. Ano lang ito mga cabinet eh. Mga cabinet, wala silang ano. Lahat set. Yeah, this how many bedroom? 3.
Balik po rin po sa
Oh, this is good. Uy, down the bathroom. Ito, may sariling kwarto. Hello! Hi, it is very, very nice. I'm gonna buy this. Hello! I want to buy this. It's beautiful. Ang ganda ng style, ano? Here is nice. The style, ano, and you can just open the window. Magandang style nito. Italian style. And this furniture, your towels and everything in there. You can put the towel toilet, it's nice. Yeah, I like the flooring. And they have patio on the top. And this is the master bedroom. Ang ganda, parang laki. Parang malaki. It seems like it's big. May bata. Tapos may closet na dito. May closet sa loob.
Tanong natin how much. It's not, you know what, it's not.
Ay, nasa yung pala dresser. Bawal at saka ito. Lagyan mo ng tabi.
Meron din dito.
Yeah, this is a nice design.
This one is grand.
Granite. Granite. Tawagan mo na namin.
Tanong natin kay Lina.
At saka ang ganda ng area.
Ano yung picture?
You like it?
Yes.
I give it to you.
Yeah, perfect. Punta na ako sa loto.
I like it. All the rooms are spot. Ito nilalagyan ng television. Nilalagyan ng television. Ha?
Pinasok.
Kanino kotse yun?
Hindi ko na alam.
Ganda mo ba? Ganun ba? Kasi labahan nyo, pwede maglaba doon ng damit, no? Labahan. Saka lahat, bawat sa kwarto may terrace.
Yan ang maganda lang.
Yeah, bawat kwarto may terrace. Pwede ka maglagay ng upuan.
Ang cute ng terrace na yun.
Oh, alam ang cute ng style na to.
Yun yung style ng
Yeah, yung terrace na yon. Malaki oh.
Alam ko may likod, may garahe pa yun sa likod.
Ah, may garahe pa raw to sa
I think
likod.
so kasi dyan dadaan parang
Ah, may garahe sa likod to.
parang dalawa rito. Parang
Kaya yung tsura ng isa.
ganito rin. Pero mas malaki
Pero
to.
Malaki to. Corner eh. Mas malaki to.
Ay,
Corner.
ganun yata.
Alam mo,
Yung
ikaw lang
3 point
napasok
kasi.
to pati si Ellen eh.